Hello guys, today I bought another thing and this is good because I'm able to level up some dudes. I got Thief Cat, but that's probably like none. And I also got somebody else. Special, if you go right here, I got a little Homura cat. Yeah. And that's basically it. The character that I'm trying to evolve now is Eris Cat, one of my favorites. And I don't see how Psycho Cat's good. But yeah. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, that is. There is. I also got my uber rare Granio Kaitengu to level 25. He's actually really good. And yeah, that's it. Nothing new happened. We've also got Bears Be Bear. You get doll cats. Bear Grylls. Yeah, I think this is a good team. I'm just gonna go in there and destroy them all. This guy's gonna absolutely destroy him. Look at him. He's built like a paintbrush, sort of. Okay, I barely dress. Whoa, he deals a lot of damage and very fast. Whoa, that was fast. Now we got dog. Oh, it's a rare. Cats that have dressed up as dolls don't have much health but shoots laser beams to take down many foes. Area attack. Okay. Here we go. This doll cat right there. And now, what do we need for one of the best cats to evolve? Eris Cat, what do we need? Purple and red. Yeah, we'll go glowing red. I want this. No, that's the side. Okay. What was I gonna do? Red. I have tons of red. Do you know what? Just for the fun of it. Use him. Take you out. Rockets is anti-red. Never knew that. Okay, face cap. I don't really even need to prepare for this because I'm gonna win it anyway. So we'll just go magic out. Okay, boom. Anti-red, let's go. I need two red seeds. 2 red cat fruit seeds, and then we win. Wait, we win? What am I yapping about? It's sad that he's so slow. It'd be so much cooler if he was a lot faster. Tengu was such a cool unit. There's way too many. And booyah. Can't proceed yet. Are you serious? 199. Yippee! And guys, if you're wondering how I got so much XP, like crazy. Yeah, boy. The things that I want is, okay, we want Casley the Bane. We want is the Dancer of Grief. Shadow Go, Dark Me. Basically everything dark except Dark Aegis or Dark Meton, I guess. And I don't mind Casley the Scourge, or is the Dancer, or Child of Destiny Phono. That would be absolutely amazing. What do I want? Wait, are these the... Oh, I don't know. Then maybe some of those we want either Lesser Demon Cat, Baby Cat, or Lasvos. Not I really want there. Not I really want there. Not I. I mean, I'll take a Ganglion if you give me one. I wouldn't mind getting like the Great Folk Rain or Kasajizo. I'd love. I mean, Warlock and Pierre and the White Rabbit would be good, and Saki, Sharpshooter Saki would be good. None I really want there. None I really want there. None I really want there. Okay, that's... So, half of the stuff I don't really want. Okay. You can solo all 3 rabbits with 1 hit. 1, 2, oh, 2 hits for all of them. Who should be the next unit I evolve? I think it should be Cameraman Cat. He's been waiting too long. If I get an epic cat fruit, I'll definitely change to getting a super rare evolved. Like Swimmer Cat. I need to come around to get Swimmer Cat evolved. Because I said I would do it, then I changed my mind to the goat. Whatever his name is, I can't believe I forgot his name. What are you saying? I had a rough day today. Is that Castaway? No, it's Seafarer, yeah. I evolved him with the cat fruit. Stop! No! I didn't want to ride cat fruit. Leadership. I don't care. Now, cat fruit seed or rage. And then I would need, what is it, yellow cat fruit seeds next? No, it's purple. I think I'm stocked up for yellow. Cat fruit seed? Thank you. Now we need... Oh yeah, and I also unlocked cat size. I want rare cat size. And purple cat fruit seeds. Okay guys, this is going to be like amazing evolution. Once we do evolve them. Whoa, that's... I may have got 2, 4, 6, 8. I may have gotten a bit too much there. Okay, purple. Purple. Copy. Copy. Information from last victory. What? Okay, this is weird. I'll take out you. Take out you. You can stay in. You can get out. We want twin stars. I want these. We want for a bit of fun we'll put in Catasaurus. And yeah, I think that's good. Boom. Two purple cat fruit seeds, and then we're Gucci. What comes out first again? It's not Black Doges. Yeah. Painter Cat is just such a cool cat overall. Like with the effect on his hair. Just perfection. Don't activate the vase. Oh, too late. No way Twin Stars died. I may have overlooked Twin Stars. She is... Okay, can you proceed, please? Thank you. Now, one more cat seed, and then Yakasha. Bird, bird, bird it, bird it, bird it, bird it, bird it, bird it, okay. Bang. Oh no. Bang. Lisa Dojo's died. I think bird guy, Gran Yokai Tengu is a good cool unit. Like, I mean, look at all of them. He gets stronger when he's low. He's resistant to weaken. He's resistant to weight if he's area, and he's Colossus Slayer. Okay, purple cat fruit seed, and then we're good. No! Please, cat fruit seed. Okay. cat fruit seed is all we need. And that rhymes. Ramen cat, I heard he's an amazing unit. Because I see one of the, I think the best player at Dark Cats use. A lot. Well, I think he's top 5 best. I'm not sure where he is on the list. But he uses Ramen cat a lot. And he says it's his best friend. Can you guess who it is? Matt Shea. Or Matt Shea. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Sorry, Matt. Okay. Cat fruit seed, please. Okay, what one am I doing? Yeah, that should be a cat fruit seed, please. This is taking too long. Way too long. One single cat fruit seed is all I need. Need. One single cat fruit seed is all I need. One single cat fruit seed. And it's purple. It's purple. Cat fruit seed is purple. I need a purple cat fruit seed. It's like a bean and it's purple. I've run out with stuff to rhyme right now. Okay. That's 1. That's 2. Okay. The fact is, anytime she gets knocked back, she just comes back immediately and hits them, so she don't have no cooldown. Okay, purple cat fruit seed is all I need. Thank you. Okay, now for the best moment you'll ever see in your entire life. Okay, this is one of the best moments you'll ever see. This is one of the best moments you can ever see. I evolve Ramen Cats. Bing, bang, bang. Oh, he's beautiful. Ramen Cat. He is amazing. Okay. Yeah, okay, first of all, a peanut farmer's son became a rocker to avoid coming out of his nut allergies to his family, resistant to angelic attacks. Okay, after album number 2 flopped, tried to get into fine art, can only draw peanuts, so didn't sell, resistant to angelic attacks. Noodles might seem like a simple dish, but they need an artist's touch to master. Flashy prep style also boosts defense versus angels. So yeah, he's a really sick cat. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The Uber Platinum ticket capsule. Yeah, rummy. Okay, you guys already know what I want. You guys already know what I need. Oh yeah, and also if I get what's your one name? Yukimura. I'll be fine with that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I remember last time I did this, I got Bosh. Okay, there's no going back now. There's no going back. Oh my god! I got Kai. That was amazing. Kai is such a good unit. Let's go. That's a W right there. That's a W. Where is Seashore Kai? Oh, she's here. I mean, not Seashore Kai, just Kai. Let's upgrade her a tiny bit. Not a tiny bit. We're gonna give her some good upgrades. Kai type. Isn't she? I thought she was anti-black. I think that's Seashore Kai though. Resistant area and survive. That's all my XP gone. That's 2 milli on Kai. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, comment whatever you want, of course. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Gubby, boy. Wait, no, I've done the wrong ending again. Gubby forever.